On Divergence, you can trade tokenized binary options with a range strike. You can buy a Spear token and get paid a fixed reward when the underlying settles outside of a price range. How does this work? Here's an explainer. First of all, let's see what happens when you buy a binary call. You purchase the right to receive a fixed reward when the underlying settles at or above your strike price. On Divergence, you pay a fraction of a collateral for a fixed reward of one collateral. This collateral can be any fungible token used to fund a pool. When you buy a binary put, you get the right to receive a fixed reward when the underlying settles below your strike price. Sometimes it's not clear in which direction the underlying will break out of a price range. What you can do is buy a binary call and a lower strike binary put for the same expiration. This way, you get paid one collateral when the underlying settles at or above your binary call strike, or when it settles below your binary put strike. This trade can be profitable as long as the combined premiums you pay are less than one collateral. This turns out to be the payoff structure of our Range Strike Spear tokens. You pay less than one collateral for a max reward of one collateral when the underlying breaks out of a price range. Separately buying a binary call and a binary put of the same payoff structure can sometimes cost you more or less. These situations can present arbitrage opportunities. Anyways, we hope to see you soon trading on Divergence, and if you have any questions, head over to the Telegram or Discord and we are happy to help.